Okay guys, we're working on a U-line. This unit is not running at all, so we have detected that the thermostat is the problem, and we're about to install the thermostat. We're going to start removing all the screws. All around the unit. So the thermostat is right here, but it runs through the back. And this is it right here, and it goes right in here. So we're gonna it comes all the way from the front. From the front to the back. Inside, we're gonna have to remove all the shelves. And the thermostat, it goes right in here underneath. So we're gonna remove all the 4 screws for the panel. Okay, we got the top loose and the bottom. So now we're gonna remove these 2 right here. Now that we have removed the covers for the screws, we can see the thermostat right there. This is the line that goes inside. And now we're gonna start removing the screws for the thermostat right here. This thermostat only have 2 connections, and we're gonna remove the 2 connections, and then we're gonna start pulling up the line that goes all the way inside. This is the new thermostat, guys. This is the part number we are using, and we're just gonna unscrew all this and then run. I think if you really know that the problem is the thermostat, you don't want to be fighting with this cable. So we're just going to cut it right here. And what we're going to do, go in the back and just pull it out. That will be the easiest way to get the old one out. Of course, the new one, you don't want to cut it. And this is the old one, and we're gonna start putting the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. You're gonna unroll it and run the tip all around to the back until you see it around here. You're gonna get it out, and see, we're gonna push it back inside this little hole. Gotta make sure we can go. I'm gonna have to help it. I think. Okay, we do have it to the other side. Now we're just gonna connect those cables back in there. All right, and we're gonna start moving it to the front and put the 2 screws right here. Now that we have the 2 screws in, we're gonna find the thermostat around here. It's right here. And we're gonna put it on the back of the panel with the new bracket we received on and the new screws. Okay, we have put the screws back, and also we did the ones on top. You guys got to remember that these screws on the back, they have like a little clear spacer. That way the panel will not be touching completely the back wall. So you might want to put that spacer, don't forget about that. So we're just gonna start putting all this back. And just like that, guys, that's pretty much all all done. We just gotta put the front cover with the one screw right here. The kit that we put in came with the new knob. And once you put that screw for the front cover, you can just slide it there. And let's go on the back. And the back, it's like a little plastic that it came here. Just make sure nothing is on the way right there. And now we're just gonna start putting this panel back together. Right away, I can hear the compressor running already. The new thermostat already comes with the temperature that is recommended, so you don't have to move it at all. But again, guys, this was a U-line, the one we're working. The model number if you need it. And this is the part number we use. This repair is that simple, so it's everything back running. We're just gonna clean in the back, push it back in, and this is it. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.